Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today, let's talk about where is the cheapest place that you can buy your windows. So I get asked all the time, what is the difference between your windows and like maybe Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that? And there's a lot of differences. The question is, do you mean like the pull off the shelf new construction stuff that they just throw up there for people who want to put some windows in their house, just grab off the shelf and go? Or do you mean like custom order? I want to have somebody from Lowe's or Home Depot come out to my house, present and measure and get a quote that way. Let's talk about the latter. I'll go to people's houses and they'll say, hey, we actually called Home Depot. They sent somebody out. They gave us a bid to get the windows, and we want to see what your quote would be. To have somebody from Lowe's, Home Depot, coming out representing, they sell the job to you, but you have to factor in that they have contractors that are associated with them, so third parties, that will install the windows for you. Most times, these quotes are going to come in higher because there's more hands to basically feed. So when we come in, we're a one-stop shop. We deal the window, we install the window, we warrant the window. When we give our quotes, more times than not, they're gonna come in lower. And people are usually very surprised, like, wait a minute, I thought you guys would be more expensive. Nay, well, we have fixed costs with the windows. I have my own installation crews, so our prices are gonna come in at a great factor. I know what it's gonna cost to get it done. And I'm not signing work to try to balloon it and then talk you down. I mean, really what it comes down to for me and a lot of other dealers out there is we want to give you best price. We want to do the work for you. This is what we do. Don't forget, window dealers who specialize in windows and doors. That's all they do. They're in every city. Do yourself a favor, always make sure you get another quote, at least 2 or 3. I always say 3 is a great number. And again, apples for apples. So if you're getting a sliding window and somebody else comes in and says, oh, you should do a casement there, say, no, I need to know exactly how much more or less this is going to be. And we can always change things later. Don't forget about the window replacement businesses in your cities, because they're the ones who are doing this every single day. Their prices probably surprisingly less than the big box stores. So where do you get your cheapest windows from? If we're talking about price, don't buy a cheap window. They're not gonna do you any good. Not after a couple of years. You're gonna hate them, they're ugly. Get yourself a great window, one that has a great warranty. Get your 3 quotes. You'll be thankful that you did. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond as soon as I can. Till then, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.